Kgafela, far beyond their expectations, wake up to be victims of unfortunate circumstances, hopelessly disappointed by the ones they trusted the most. Now, they yield to the left to those who share their grief. Could this be the opportune moment for Kgafela, perhaps to find a fortress? Pilanesberg TV, I am Jean Letsolo.
Kgafela and Afriforum organization, organized as we are, on the 26th of June 2025, Kgafela will be embracing the Afrikaners, and the Afrikaners will be embracing Kgafela. Together as one, we will hold hands, heart to heart, mind to mind, soul to soul. That's oneness. There's a true unity. Oh. Watch out, government of the day. We are coming. So you cannot say you are a leader of a king, whereas you are just a commoner. That cannot be the status quo, the true status quo. There is fake representation of leadership. You are stealing from us, using our brothers and sisters. Sidibelo, Bakgatla, morafe o tlhophileng ke modimo, morafe wa badimo ba ona, morafe o e leng karolo ya tlhago. Ke a le dumedisa Bakgatla, ke le dumedisa ka pula, bana ba sefatana sa moruleng ba ramtja e tšelemtšana yona, dithata tsa molefe a masilo. Bakgatla ba ba binang khabo e marete matala, ka re mo leineng la Kgozikgolo Kgafela Sidibelo Bakgatla. I've just greeted my fellow tribesmen in our own traditional formal traditional way. And now I take this time to greet you, fellow citizens of this universe, wherever you may be, in the name of our Almighty, in the name of God, I greet you all. Well, my name is Bakgatla Phalafala Maname, Lebogang Phalafala Maname. I am a Khosana of Sanfontaine village. I'm also a spokesperson of Kgafela the second and the royal family, and the entire Kgafela, wherever they may be. I'm their voice. I just want to narrow our journey, which is a daunting journey. It has been a quite daunting journey, with full of lessons, important lessons. We, as Kgafela nation, are based in Southern Africa, in the Republic of South Africa. We are led peacefully, honestly, and beautifully so by Kgafela the second, the Pan-African king, the philosopher king, who was prophesied by Prophet Nostradamus He's the one who is our shining star. We are looking upon him, upon his DNA wisdom as a star seed, as a philosopher king. We are facing the might of evilness of the government of the day in South Africa. But we are Africans nonetheless, and we do observe our tradition, our heritage, and our customs. So we call upon the wisdom of the universe. We call upon the might power of positive energy, positive frequency, positive vibration in this cause of true freedom, of true liberation. As the warriors, we are the warriors of the day. So let me get into the topic of the day. I've got good news. I have very good news for you all. The good news is this: from time immemorial, there have been this so-called division of race, and this division has been named in many forms, in many ways, but I just call them divisions of race. And these divisions are not worth it, because after all, we are all human. So there is a true marriage between the blacks, as they are being called, and the Afrikaners, who are called whites, but I call them human beings. We don't see color, we see human beings with different culture, different DNA, but the same humanity. We are all human. And we Bakgatla, under the leadership of Kgafela, have decided that against all odds, we are going to sign a treaty with the Afrikaners, who are organized under the body called Afriforum. Afriforum and Bakgatla nation are now together. We are together as one, irrespective of the difficulties that we've gone through, irrespective of the cloud of evilness that we've gone through, irrespective of the injustice that we've encountered in this land of God. We've seen it clearly, out of clarity of thought, that it is now imperative as star seeds to be together, to combine our energies for the sake of justice, true justice and liberation of humanity. So we are different cultures with different traditions, but with the same vision. We have the same vision of good fruits, pure good fruits, which derives from justice, which that justice have been delayed and deprived by the government of the day and by the governments which came before the government of the day. Therefore, watch out, government of the day. We are coming. We are coming. And we are here now. This is not just a talk show like some people did in 1994, saying we are a rainbow nation. But after that, they always repeat the same rhetoric of apartheid system, colonization, and everything. So we are going to sign on the 26th of June 2025. That day is the day that Kgafela, a noble tribe in southern Africa, will be saying to Afrikaners, you are our brothers, you are our sisters, we are going to embrace you in these dark days of injustice in southern Africa. They don't need to go anyway. We don't need to go anyway. We will be in South Africa, in Cape Town. For obvious reasons. So we know our rights, our constitutional rights, and we know very well of our natural rights, our natural law. So I don't have much to say other than to say that much will be said on the day of the event. See you there.